Basic DIY skills are essential for managing a home effectively, helping you to tackle minor repairs and maintenance tasks without the need for professional assistance. Having a good grasp of these skills not only saves time and money, but also gives you a sense of confidence and independence when it comes to keeping your home in good working order. Whether you're fixing a leaky tap, assembling furniture, or hanging a picture, being able to handle basic DIY tasks can make a significant difference in maintaining your living space. One of the most useful DIY skills is knowing how to use basic tools properly. A hammer, screwdriver, pliers, tape measure, and spirit level are some of the most commonly used tools in everyday tasks. Understanding how to safely and effectively use these tools allows you to perform a wide range of jobs, from assembling flat-pack furniture to hanging shelves. For example, learning how to drill into walls correctly and safely is invaluable when mounting anything securely. Knowing the difference between using a drill for wood, plaster, or masonry ensures that you don't damage your walls or cause issues with weak fittings. Confidence in using these tools is key to carrying out many common household tasks. Basic plumbing skills are also incredibly useful in home management. Many adults will encounter minor plumbing issues at some point, such as a dripping tap or a blocked drain. Understanding how to fix a leaky tap, unclog a sink, or stop a running toilet can prevent these minor inconveniences from escalating into bigger problems. Knowing where your home's stopcock is located and how to turn off the water supply in case of an emergency can also be a lifesaver, particularly when dealing with leaks. In many cases, basic plumbing fixes are straightforward and can be carried out without needing to call in a plumber, saving both time and expense. Another important DIY skill is handling basic electrical repairs and maintenance tasks. While any major electrical work should always be left to professionals, there are many simple tasks that you can manage safely yourself, such as changing light bulbs or replacing a fuse in a plug. Understanding how to reset a tripped circuit breaker and knowing the basics of how your home's electrical system functions are important for both safety and convenience. If you're installing new light fixtures or swapping out old ones, having a basic knowledge of how to handle wires safely, turn off the power at the mains, and follow the correct wiring procedure can make the process much easier and safer. Painting and decorating are skills that many adults will need to master, especially when it comes to refreshing the look of their home or touching up areas of wear and tear. Being able to prepare surfaces, apply paint evenly, and choose the right type of paint for different areas can make a huge difference in the quality of the final finish. Knowing how to fill in small holes or cracks in walls before painting helps create a smooth, professional appearance, and having the ability to apply masking tape accurately ensures clean, sharp lines when painting edges or around trim. Decorating doesn't have to be a daunting task, and mastering these basic techniques allows you to confidently take on any painting project in your home. Understanding how to tackle basic home repairs is another key DIY skill. This might include tasks such as fixing squeaky doors, replacing door handles, or tightening loose cabinet hinges. These small jobs can often be completed quickly with minimal tools, but they make a big difference in the overall upkeep of your home. For example, knowing how to rehang a door that has come loose, or how to install a new curtain rod securely, gives you the ability to maintain the functionality and appearance of your living spaces without needing to rely on outside help. Another crucial skill is learning how to safely hang things on walls. Whether it's pictures, mirrors, or shelves, knowing how to choose the right fixings for different types of walls, such as plasterboard, brick, or stud walls, is essential to avoid damage and ensure that what you're hanging stays securely in place. This knowledge is particularly important when mounting heavier items, such as a large mirror or a TV bracket, where securing the item correctly can also be a matter of safety. Understanding the load capacity of your wall fixings and making sure they're appropriate for the item being hung is crucial in avoiding accidents and maintaining the integrity of your walls. Carpentry is another useful area of DIY that can be applied in small but significant ways around the home. This could be something as simple as knowing how to sand down a rough edge on a piece of wood, or as practical as learning how to cut and fit replacement skirting boards or moldings. Having the confidence to measure and cut materials accurately, and knowing how to make basic wood repairs such as fixing a broken drawer or chair leg, allows you to prolong the life of your furniture and keep your home looking well maintained. Basic DIY skills also include an understanding of home safety. This means knowing how to safely store tools, dispose of old paint or materials, and keep your workspaces clean and organized to prevent accidents. It also involves having a good grasp of when a task is beyond your skill level and recognizing the importance of calling in a professional for more complex or hazardous jobs, particularly in areas such as gas or advanced electrical work. In conclusion, basic DIY skills are not just about fixing things around the house. They are about taking control of your home's maintenance and having the confidence to tackle everyday issues as they arise. With the right knowledge and tools, many tasks can be completed quickly and easily, ensuring your home remains functional, safe, and pleasant to live in. Investing time in learning these skills pays off in the long term, as you'll be able to address minor problems as they occur, preventing them from developing into larger, more costly issues.